Cricket is known as gentleman's game that holds a massive following across the globe. In the long history of cricket, many players came and earned their reputation as one of the gems. Meanwhile, there were some bad boys who were quite consistent in attracting controversies, due to which they ruined their cricketing careers. We have listed out our top 5 cricketers who ruined their career due to some infamous controversies that will be remembered by the people for long. Here are 5 cricketers who ruined their careers with controversies. Number 5. Sreesanth. Sreesanth played in international cricket for Team India as a quick bowler. The 37-year-old reaped out lots of success on the cricket field and hit the headlines on numerous occasions with his performances. But more than his on-field performance, he hogged the spotlight due to his controversies. The biggest in all of them was the IPL spot fixing scandal when the 37-year-old was playing for Rajasthan Royals. And he was accused to be one of the culprits to have done such corrupt activity related to the game. The fans were shocked that their idol could have committed such thing for money, which is against the rules of the game. Afterwards, he was handed with a lifetime ban from BCCI from playing cricket. However, later on, he was set free from all the claims on the basis of no proofs available. Number 4. Mohammad Asif. Mohammad Asif was one of the promising bowlers from Pakistan when he began playing for the national side back in 2006. He was known for swinging the ball in both the directions. He was simply unplayable during his early days. Even the cricketing fraternity thought that the men in Green Nation has produced another class fast bowler like Wasim Akram and Waqar Yunus. However, he couldn't digest the limelight and ended up being one of the controversial figures in cricket. In 2006, he was positive of using drugs in order to enhance his on-field performances. And PCB banned him from playing cricket on any level for 1 year. Later on in 2008, he hit the headlines for using steroids during the maiden season of Indian Premier League back in 2008, due to which he was handed with a 2-season ban from the officials. Then came the mother of all controversies. Asif was found guilty in the match-fixing scandal against England in 2010. He bowled no balls in one of the tests for money. And he was given 1 year imprisonment by the government with a ban for 5 years from playing cricket.
Looks as if he wants a bit of sawdust. It might be quite greasy. But just look at that front foot where it lands, which means that his arm, if his left leg lands there, he's way over, his arm must be over the stumps. He'll be bowling wicket to wicket.
Number 3. Shoaib Akhtar. Shoaib Akhtar is regarded as one of the quickest bowlers in the history of cricket. He was one of those who could bowl off and around 150 km per hour. He is regarded as one of the finest bowlers in the history of Pakistan cricket. But one thing that went against his illustrious cricket career was his power to attract controversies. In 2003, he was handed with a ban of 5 games after he was found guilty of ball tampering during a game of triangular series, followed by his 3-game ban for abusing Paul Adams. Shoaib Akhtar didn't stop, and there were some more controversies that were making their way. In 2006, he was found positive taking performance-enhancing drugs, due to which he was handed with a 2-year ban. However, later on he appealed in the court and got relief from the charges. In 2007, during T20 World Cup, he was again suspended for the team for hitting his teammate with the bat that rocked the cricket world. Number 2. Andrew Symonds. Andrew Symonds was an exceptional batsman, played for Australia. But his career was cut short due to his drinking habit. Symonds was regarded as a moody and arrogant cricketer. In 2005, Symonds was dropped from the national side just before the game against Bangladesh for consuming alcohol pre-match evening. CA fined for breaching the rules. Later on, in 2008, he skipped a team meeting and went for fishing, due to which he was left out of the national squad for an indefinite span of time. CA added a clause in Symonds' contract that he will not drink alcohol in public places. After signing the contract with Cricket Board, he was spotted taking the alcohol during a rugby game, which saw the end of his career. Number 1. Kevin Pietersen. Kevin Pietersen turned out to be a superstar for England, more than a reliable player for country. He gathered bucket loads of runs, and his stats speaks enough about his caliber. The 39-year-old openly declared that he is not comfortable to play under Peter Moores. Later on, ECB sacked both of them from their posts. Next controversy came in 2012 when Pietersen announced his retirement from one-day, as ECB was not giving him the permission to play full season of IPL. Furthermore, in 2012 during Test series against the Proteas, he sent derogatory texts to some of the members of South Africa cricket team. Even, he took the names of Andrew Stross, skipper of team, and Andy Flower, coach. From that point onwards, the things between Flower and Peterson began falling apart. After performing brilliantly for England in 2014 Ashes, he was shown the door by England Cricket Board. As per reports, it is said that Andy Flower said to ECB that they will have to pick one between him and Kevin Peterson. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel.